Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to get this messy beach curly hair. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Before I curl my hair, I like to brush my hair, and the brush I'm using is from GHD. Now I'm going to crimp my hair to get more volume, and the crimp I'm using is from Sunchi. I'll put the link down in the description box. So I like to part the hair first and clip it away, and I just crimp it just closer, not too close to the root but quite close. I don't like to do it too much, just a little bit. See, I'm not doing it too closer to the root because I don't want to damage my hair. I like to crimp my hair rather than teasing it, because with teasing you're going to have to do it every day, whereas if I crimp my hair, let's say if I'm crimping it on Monday, it will last until Friday for me, until I wash my hair next. Once it cools down, you just need to brush your hair and it'll just lift up. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but I've got some volume there, and this will last for at least 4 to 5 days. I don't like to crimp my hair closer to my face. I like that smooth effect, so I'm just going to leave that part of the hair. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and crimp my hair at the back as well, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to brush my hair. Now I'm happy with the volume, so I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. The curling wand I'm using is from Remington Silk. Again, I'll put the link below in the description box. I like to hold the curling wand downwards, and I like to curl the hair and then just hold it for a few seconds. I know some people like to apply some hairspray now, but I like to complete the whole hair and then style it, and then I like to spray. So I'm going to leave the curls to cool, and I'm going to go ahead and do my second part. So I'm going to hold it downwards. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all over my hair, and I'll be right back. I really like this curling wand. It gives you the messy curly look. Now I've curled all my hair. Now I'm just going to leave this to cool for a few seconds, and then I'm just going to run my fingers through. So this is how it looks, and I'm happy the way it sits. So I'm going to spray some Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. I don't like to spray too much because I like to have some movement. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.